Hello children, this is Edison. In this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter integrals. In this part, we discuss about the introduction of the integral. Integration. Integration is the inverse or reverse process of the differentiation. If we are given the derivative function and asked us to find its original function, that means it's a primitive. The process is called integration or anti-differentiation. Okay, yes. So here we consider the function, it is differentiation of sin x. It is cos x. Even we can take a differentiation of x cube, which is 3x squared. Even we can take one more, just d by dx of e power x itself, e power x only. Okay, now when we consider this, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So here cos x is the derivative of sin x. Cos x is the derivative of sin x. So here we go back. That means what we are doing, from which this cos x came, from which is differentiated to get cos x. So sin x is differentiated, we get a cos x. So the sin x is the antiderivative of cos x. Okay, so antiderivative of cos x is sin x. Similar way here we can say antiderivative of this 3x square is x cube. Antiderivative of 3x square is x cube. So here antiderivative of e power x is e power x only. Okay. Sin x, when you differentiate, you are getting cos x. Even if I differentiate sin x plus 5, that also I will get as cos x only. Even differentiation of sin x plus 10 also I get cos x only. Why? Because this 5 and 10 are the constants. So we can say in general antiderivative of cos x is sin x plus some constant c, we can say. Okay, so antiderivative of cos x is nothing but sin x plus c. So similar way we can say for 3x square, what we can say, the antiderivative of 3x square is x cube plus some constant. Antiderivative of e power x also we can say that e power x plus some constant. Okay, so what we do actually, if y equal to x cube is a curve, it is a curve, equation of the curve. It is differentiated dy by dx, this 3x square, this means slope of tangent to the curve. Okay, slope of the tangent to the curve. This is actually what? Curve. If you differentiate the curve, you are getting slope of the tangent to the curve. Now see that this x cube we are getting. Yes, the antiderivation. Okay, that means what we are getting here, for this slope we get a curve. Okay, for this slope we get a curve. That process is called anti-differentiation, we said, but we are not getting only one curve, we are getting family of curves. This is actually what? Family of a curve. Okay, family of curves, not only one curve, because this 3x square is not the slope for only x cube alone. It is for x cube plus 1, x cube plus 3, x cube plus 2, like that, etc. we can say. So that we are telling this 3x square is the slope for infinitely many curves, that is x cube plus c. So your antiderivative integration says that you are finding the family of curves for the given slope of the tangent to the family of curves. Do you understand, children? So this process is called integration. Okay, we want to find antiderivative of cosecant square ax plus b. Now we have to think, cosecant square function comes from which function? It is actually, if you differentiate cot x, you'll be getting cosecant square x. So I take in that way, d by dx of cot x is nothing but minus cosecant square x. Correct? Yeah. The same idea I am using now. D by dx of cot ax plus b, which is minus a into cosecant square ax plus b. Okay. But here I want to get the antiderivative of cosecant square ax plus b only. But here I am having lot. Okay. For this one I have to get the antiderivative. So what I am doing? See children, d by dx of this minus 1 by a comes here. It is cot ax plus b. Even I put plus constant, because if you differentiate the constant also it will become 0 only. So your answer is here. See here, cosecant square of ax plus b. Now I can conclude. Okay, now I can conclude the antiderivative of cosecant square ax plus b is minus 1 by a cot ax plus b. This is what. Like this we can derive many formula, because for antiderivative or integral of cosecant square ax plus b minus 1 by a cot ax plus b I am getting. See children, some more also we will be doing. So now we can find antiderivative of x cube came from which function, which was derivated to get x cube, like that we should suppose think. So now I will be writing d by dx of x power 4, because if you differentiate x power 4 only, you will be getting x cube form. So that means I will be getting 4x cube. Now see children, this 4 will come down over here. So d by dx of 1 by 4 x power 4 equal to x cube. So I can write immediately, even I will be putting plus c over here, because if you put plus c also it makes same sense only. Okay, so therefore antiderivative x cube is nothing but x power 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, so this is how we should do the integration. So in general we can say that d by dx of f of x is nothing but f of x. So this can be rewritten as d by dx of f of x plus c is f of x itself. Okay, yeah, it's a derivative we are telling. So therefore we can say the antiderivative of f of x is nothing but capital F of x plus c. So this can be represented as the symbol. This is the integral symbol f of x. We are using the element dx is nothing but f of x plus c. Okay, so here this is actually integral sign. This is what actually we are doing the integration. So that is integrand. So this is the integral element. This is actually integrated one, the primitive. This is actually the constant, integral constant. Okay, so these are the things we should suppose remember. Okay children, the algebra of integration. Now see children, integral f of x plus or minus g of x. That means 2 or 3 terms, more than 2 terms we have given, means we can do the integration separately, like this: integral f of x dx plus integral g of x dx. Even here minus. Now another one, integral kf of x. That means any function is multiplied by some constant, means that constant can be put outside and you can do the integration for the variable function alone. This is how we can do the procedure. Okay children, okay. These are the formulas we should suppose remember forever. So first part it is given the derivative, and the second one it is antiderivative. We just saw few things. Actually the integral cosecant square x minus cot x we got it now. Yes, similarly children, all the formula is given. We can derive using that method what we did before. Okay, but it's not necessary now. Actually, if you remember all this formula, that itself enough. Okay, so we should suppose be very clear, not get any confusion with the derivative and the antiderivative. Both are nearly same, but you should be able to differ that one correctly. Please be careful children. So now integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this c must be constant, must be. If you don't write, they will minus half mark. Integral 1 dx, some constant, that means it is x plus c. So that means integral, if we write it is 5 dx is nothing but answer is 5x plus c. That's all. Okay, yeah. So here also I give an example. Integral x power 3 means it is x power 4 by 4 plus c, like that we can say. Now integral cos x is sin x. Okay, but in differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So please do remember children, you should be able to differ that one. Integral sin x is minus cos x. Secant square x, that is tan x. Cosecant square x minus cot x. Secant x tan x, secant x. Cosecant x cot x minus cosecant x. Integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square sin inverse of x. 1 by root of 1 minus x square cos inverse of x. For both the same formula only. Only the sign changing. You can see that for sin inverse and cos inverse, you will be getting 1 by and minus 1 by. We will be writing now, but here only the change in the sign. 1 by 1 plus x square, for that we can say this as tan inverse of x or minus cot inverse of x. Similar way here we are having for 1 by root of x square minus 1 secant inverse of x or minus cosecant inverse of x. Even some more formula, it is e power x dx, that is e power x only. 1 by x is log x, because we studied differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Here 1 by x is so you can see children here n is not equal to minus 1. If you give n is equal to minus 1 means 1 by x. Only for n is minus 1 it is not possible. Okay, it is for only 1 by x integration is log x. But all the other case we should use this x power n formula only. Then a power x log a, integral a power x is into a power x divided by log a plus c. Okay children, so please do remember all this formula. Okay, and some more also we need to know children, because in the beginning I said it is antiderivative of cosecant square ax plus b is nothing but minus 1 by a cot ax plus b plus c. I said whenever they give in this form as a linear, here we should suppose get the coefficient of x in the denominator. Okay, so some more example I can give. Integral sin of ax plus b is nothing but it is minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Integral e power ax plus b dx is nothing but 1 by a into e power ax plus b plus c. Okay, then integral ax plus b whole power n dx is nothing but 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Like this we can write for all the cases children. Okay, whatever we have seen in this, the same thing with ax plus b we can write with the 1 by a. Okay, so please do remember all these things. We do some sums on this basis. Okay, for sum it is integral some 4x cube plus sin ax plus b dx. It is nothing but we can apply 4x cube dx plus integral sin of ax plus b dx. So it is nothing but 4 out. Integral x cube will be what? It is nothing but x power 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, plus for this actually what, minus cos of ax plus b, but it is 1 by a plus c. But here 2c cannot come, so that we write c1 plus c2. So this means we can write x power 4 minus 1 by a cos of ax plus b c1 plus c2. So c1 plus c2 can be written as c. So this implies you can write x power 4 minus 1 by a cos of ax plus b plus c, because this constant, if you derivate the c1 and the c2, you will be getting 0 only, no? So we can write as a common constant integral secant square 4x plus 3 dx. So now we know the formula secant square x, it is actually tan x. Yeah, we can write immediately this as integral what? Secant square 4x plus 3 as 1 by 4 into tan 4x plus 3 plus c, because integral secant square ax plus b dx is nothing but 1 by a tan x plus b plus c. That's all. It's a formula. We can remember this as the formula. Okay. Yeah. Then integral 3x square minus 5x plus 1 into 1 by root x dx. Don't get any confusion. Haha, root x and all comes. You have to divide. So 3x square by root x minus 5x by root x plus 1 by root x dx. So now we just divide it. It is actually 3x power 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2. It is a 3 by 2. Because the denominator no root x, it is power 1 by 2. When it goes up, minus 1 by 2. Now minus 5 root x itself plus this actually x power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now we need to do the integration. That's all. So we know that it is 3x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. Because the formula integral x power n dx is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now minus 5. Actually here x power 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x power minus 1 by 2. So therefore it is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. We just put a common constant over here. Now we need to do the simplification of this. That means 3 here, 2 into 2, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 by 2. When it goes up, it is 2 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 minus 5 into here we can do that 3 by 2. It is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus this one actually what 1 by 2. So 2 into x power 1 by 2 plus c. That's all children. So 6 by 5 x power 5 by 2 minus 10 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus 2. Actually it is root x plus c. So now we can observe one thing in this. It is integral 1 by root x. We are getting 2 root x. We can remember this as the formula children. Integral root x, we can write this as what? 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. So see children, integral root x dx is nothing but 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus c. Integral 1 by root x dx is nothing but 2 root x plus c. So please do remember this as the formula itself. No need to use the x power n formula to get this one. So you can remember this as one formula itself. Okay children. So like this we can do many sums. It is there in the textbook exercises. Okay. So now I just do few sums only for our clarity in the concept. Okay. Now one more sum I do. It is integral 3 minus 4 sin x divided by 5 cos square x. So see here, I am just dividing. It is 3 by 5 into cos square x minus 4 sin x by 5 cos square x dx. What does mean? 3 by 5 out, integral it is secant square x minus 4 by 5 integral. Okay, I am just splitting the differentiation, integration here. 4 by 5 sin by cos tan 1 by cos secant. So it can be written as secant x into tan x dx. That's all. So now we can write the answer immediately. 3 by 5 secant square x. The integration is it is tan x plus c, but I am not writing. Now 4 by 5 secant x tan x integration is secant x. That's all plus c. This is the integration. Okay children, so this is how we should do the basic integration Okay, hope you all understood the basic integration. You can do the sums from the exercise on your own. Okay, any doubt you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.